you planning to start your own cross-border e-commerce website, but not sure which business model works best? Today, we're breaking down 6 proven business models for independent sites, and by the end, you'll know which one's right for you. Before diving in, remember, an independent site gives you full control over branding, pricing, and customer relationships, but your profit model decides whether you succeed or struggle. So let's explore the 6 major business models every seller should know. 1. DTC model. The DTC model means you sell directly from your brand to the end consumer, skipping middlemen. You own your customer data, build brand loyalty, and maximize margins. 2. Dropshipping model. No inventory? No problem. With dropshipping, you list products on your site, and suppliers handle storage and shipping. It's low cost to start, but competition is fierce, and quality control can be tricky. 3. Print on demand. Love creativity? Try print on demand, where you design custom t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and print only after an order is placed. It's great for personal brands or niche audiences with minimal upfront cost. 4. Subscription service model. The subscription model builds steady income and customer loyalty. Think of monthly beauty boxes, snack packs, or software memberships. It's all about consistent value and retention. 5. B2B. In B2B, you sell products or services to other businesses instead of consumers. This usually means larger orders and longer partnerships, ideal for wholesalers or manufacturers. 6. Multi-channel retailing. Why limit yourself to one platform? With multi-channel retailing, you sell on your own site and across marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Shopify. It's perfect for expanding reach, but requires good inventory and marketing management. So you've just learned the 6 main business models for cross-border e-commerce independent sites: DTC, dropshipping, print on demand, subscription, B2B, and multi-channel retailing. Now I'm curious, which one do you think fits your business the best? Are you Team DTC for full brand control, or do you prefer the low-risk dropshipping model? Tell me your answer in the comments. I'll be replying to some of your thoughts below. And if you're planning to expand globally and need easy, secure, and fast international payments, don't forget to check out PhotonPay, your all-in-one payment solution for global e-commerce growth.